Your first 27 sale online will change how you think about money and making money online forever. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why your first small sale matters more than making your first $10,000 online. And I'll show you the simplest way to get there. Hi, my name is Naaman Shashika. I spent 16 years in investment banking, starting my career on Wall Street with JP Morgan Chase and later becoming a vice president at Barclays in London. And while working 60 plus hour weeks and raising two boys, I built an online business on the side. And since 2022, that business has generated over $500,000 through digital products and affiliate marketing. In 2023, when I had to step away from my corporate career due to chronic illness, that same business generated over £170,000 because it was built on systems and not on me showing up every day. I've now helped hundreds of beginners create their first digital product and make their first sales online. So right now, you are focused on the big numbers, making $1,000 a month, making $5,000 a month, replacing your salary. And you see, what happens is because those numbers feel so far away, you keep planning, you keep learning, you keep preparing, but then you never actually launch. What you are currently doing might look something like this. You're waiting until everything is perfect, until you feel ready, until you have a bigger audience, until you feel like you know enough about digital marketing and making money online. And then what happens? Nothing launches, nothing sells, and the goal starts to feel less and less real. Here is the truth that most people teaching online business will not say clearly enough. Your brain does not believe that goal yet. And it's not because you are not capable, it's not because the idea is wrong, but because you've not yet seen proof that it works for you specifically. And you see, the only thing that creates that proof for you, so your brain registers it, is making your first sale. Your first $27 sale has nothing to do with the money. It's proof to you that somebody will pay you. It's proof that your knowledge has value. It's proof that the system works. And you see, once you have that proof, everything changes. Let me tell you what happened with our first sale. We built the shell of our digital program. We ran one webinar, 97 people signed up. About half of those showed up live, and about 10% of those who showed up actually purchased. So that very first cohort, we had 9 students who paid us £997 each, generating almost £10,000 before we had even finished building the full course, before we had a single review, before anybody had actually completed the program. But you see, here is what that first sale actually did. It told us that the idea was real. It told us that people would pay for what we knew. It told us that the system worked. And from that moment, every decision got easier. Every launch, we got more confident. Every cohort got bigger. And we've now generated over £350,000 from that one program. But you see, it all started with the 9 people saying yes at £997. Your first 27 sale will do the same thing for you. See, it's not about the amount, it's about what it proves. And it's not just my story. One of the women I've worked with is a retired nurse and midwife. I call her Auntie Comfort. When she came to me, she was thinking about, so many different ideas and decorating business. She wasn't sure where to start. And then through my niche finder process, we discovered that her real passion was helping first and second time mothers breastfeed successfully. She knew how crucial those first minutes after birth are, the skin to skin contact, that first latch. She understood how much postnatal depression is linked to difficulty with breastfeeding. Because if the baby is not feeding well and the mother is exhausted, her confidence is collapsing, nobody telling her what to do, that's how she gets into postnatal depression. Auntie Comfort had solved that problem hundreds of times in her career as a midwife. She had just never thought that it's something she could teach online. And then she was able to build her first simple program, her first resource. She started sharing it in a WhatsApp group for young mothers. And the moment the first person said yes and joined her group, everything changed. You see, she stopped being somebody who wanted to build something and she became somebody who was actually building something. And that shift is everything. And it's not just anti-comfort. Dr. Nana Gaisie is a medical doctor in Ghana. She lives in Ghana. She's also a child development expert, and she came to me not knowing how to make money online. In fact, she was actually scared because she had heard too many stories of scams and people making false promises. But she had something valuable. Everyday parents were bringing her children with screen time issues, speech delays, hyperactivity, autism like symptoms. She had the knowledge that those parents desperately needed. Within 3 months of working with me, she had written and launched an ebook, a guide for parents on screen time and child development. I helped her set up her store, her product in her store, create her bit.ly links, run her launch webinar, and on her very first launch, she made over $1,000. And here is what she said after in her own words. I was getting alerts on my phone whilst I was sleeping, money going into my account whilst I sleep. It's much simpler than I thought. You see, a medical doctor in Ghana, and her very first digital product, she was able to make $1,000 on launch day. And then she continued to make sales after that while she slept. So here's what I want you to do. Step 1 is the idea. Decide on one problem that you can solve for somebody. Not 10, not 5, just one. One problem that you already know how to solve. Step 2, build one simple digital product. Create it, a guide, a checklist, a template, something that helps somebody go from being stuck to making progress. Keep it simple enough to finish this week. Step 3 is where you launch it and focus on making your first sale. Not your first $1,000, not your first $10,000. Just narrow in and focus on your first sale. Your goal is to get one person to say yes and pay you. That is the whole mission. Let me tell you why this works. Because belief comes from results. It doesn't come from preparation. It doesn't come from more research, not from watching more videos. It comes when you see tangible results. And your first sale is your first important result. And if you're still trying to figure out what you could create, what problem you could solve that people would actually pay you online for, I created a free AI niche finder guide that walks you through it step by step. You can download it for free in the description. The link will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. And if you want to go from having just the idea to your product to your actual first sale with me guiding you through step by step, then the Digital Income Jumpstart is the program that does that in one sitting. Again, the link will be in the description. That is your next step towards making your first sale. And once you have that first sale, come back, because then we can talk about how you go from turning one sale into a system, into consistent income, and into multiple income streams. But first, let's keep it simple. Get the first sale. That is today's mission. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about something that stops almost every beginner, every busy professional before they even start. And it's probably not what you think. I'll see you in the next video.